Alright, so welcome back to White House Farm. We're doing another product review today, and this is sent to us from our friend Stephanie, the same one that sent us the sump pumps and water cover pumps, all that stuff. You can go ahead and check those videos out. But what she sent us today is a boat cover. So, as you know, I got a lot of boats, and it's always good to have them covered. And this is from the RVMasking store, and this is waterproof, sunproof, ripstop, snowproof, windproof, and comes with a 100% warranty. So let's go ahead and open this up and get into it. So RVMasking, there's your warranty card. And it says here that 1.3 year warranty. In the event of defect, the seller will replace the product or parts without charge after getting your email. And then right here, any questions or anything, customer service at rvmasking.com. And they'll resolve your issues within 24 hours. Your 100% satisfaction will be their top priority. So that's good to know. If you have any issues with this, you can go ahead and get it replaced. And this does come with a nice mesh storage bag. So when you're not using it, you can go ahead and store it away. And here's all of our tie downs. All right, so let's go ahead and unfold this. And there we go. Front for front. And this is a nice thick, definitely nice thick material here. I like that. And the holders seem to be sewn in pretty good, so you don't have to worry about them ripping off. And this is a heavy duty material. I know some of the cheaper stuff will rip right off here and actually rip your cover. So there's a nice elastic band in here for go ahead and stretching it on. Get that really nice tight fit on here. And they make these in all different sizes. This one here is the 16 to 18.5 foot, because this is an 18-foot boat. But they do have a 14 to 16 foot, a 17 to 19 foot, and a 20 to 22 foot cover that you can buy for your bigger boats or your smaller boats. All right, so since we already know where the front is, let's go ahead and head up front, and we'll put the rest of this inside the boat, and we'll go ahead and work it all the way around. So very simple to put on. So that is on there. It just needs to be tightened down now with the wind straps. But this will stay on here just like this without any of the wind straps on. But obviously if you do get, you know, some wind coming through, it's gonna rip off, go flying into the woods. We don't want that. Another good thing about this being a ripstop, it's always the top portion that ends up ripping where your corners are and stuff. So you can see that this is a different color material here too. So that's a little thicker, a little tougher, and it's 1200D material. So just to show you on our other boat here, you could see how that ripped through up on top, and that's a cheaper material. So that cover is shot, and definitely not as thick and strong as this one over here. All right, so let's go ahead and start getting our wind straps put on. Regular buckles, and you can tighten them up. All right, simply click that into place. Now we can go ahead and pull this tight, tighten it up. But we'll leave it loose for right now because we want to get all of them on before we go ahead and start pulling. That way it's even all around. Definitely like these straps. They're a lot more heavy duty. And these are so easy to put on. All right, so we have the straps all along the boat. And like I said, we got them on there loosely right now. What we'll do, we'll go ahead and start cinching everything up. And we'll get this nice and tight on here. And this isn't going anywhere. Forgot one, the front one. So that is on there, nice and tight, and you see how easy that is to put on. Once again, these do come in 14 to 16 foot with a beam width of up to 90 inches, 16 to 18 and a half feet with a beam width of up to 94 inches, which is this one right here. And then 17 to 19 with a beam width of 96 inches, 20 to 22 feet with up to 100 inches beam width, and then 23 to 24 foot boats, a beam width of up to 102 inches wide. And once again, you could see the 1200D goes right over, right where the glass is and everything, because that's always your fail points when it comes to covers. But yeah, I do like this. It's nice and thick, good strapping. I've had some other ones where they were so flimsy and just like they would, as soon as you would pull on this, it would rip this part off. But these are on there really good. This is a really good nylon, and this is good material. So all right, so I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description if you're looking to purchase any for your boat. Like I said, it comes in all different sizes and beam widths. You just have to measure your boat and find out which one's right for you. But we're all set here. All right, guys, so once again, we hope you like, enjoy, subscribe, and as usual, we'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.
You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me.
All right, Olaf, we'll see you on the next one. All right, bye, Obo.
Bye, guys.